thought today it would be cool. We're back in Canggu because we've been travelling for a couple of weeks, so we're back here. We're in a new villa, which I can probably show you guys around. It's really messy at the moment, but I'll show you guys around later. I thought it would be cool today to show you guys what I eat because I'm making lots of new recipes at the moment, which is super exciting for a reason, but I can't really talk about it yet, but I will soon. Yes, I'm going to make lots of new recipes, maybe a dessert or something because it's Friday. Well, I have dessert every night, but I will make something a bit more exciting tonight if I'm filming. Yeah, so I think for breakfast I'm going to make a stovetop granola. We don't have an oven in this villa, which kind of sucks because I love baking and I love my granola. So I'm making do with a pan, which is kind of fun. It makes me like be a bit more inventive. So I'm going to make stovetop granola, and then I'm heading to the gym, and then who knows what else I will have for the rest of the day. But yeah, it's going to be cool. I'm going to have like lots of new recipes, so hope you guys enjoy it. Back from the gym. It was actually very hard, so I am really tired and hungry, but I just found out that the power isn't working because, I don't know, they're doing something on the street, and I really felt like a smoothie, so now I'm a bit stuck. I don't really know what to do, but I'm going to have some of this juice. It's like fresh. There's like a little corner juice store that we buy it from. It's like passion fruit, fresh sugar cane juice, and like orange or something. But it's really yummy, so I'll have some of that. And then I don't know because I really wanted a smoothie. So I think I've decided I'm going to have some papaya because this has been in the fridge for a little while and probably needs to be eaten. Yeah, so I'll probably just have this. It's only like 11 o'clock, so I'll have this just to tie me over for lunch, and then I'll make something like more substantial for lunch. So I am back in the kitchen because it is lunchtime and I am so hungry. I went to the gym for like way longer than usual this morning, so I'm definitely feeling it now. So I think we have some, I made this like butter, like no, I think I'm going to call it no butter, no chicken, because it's like a butter chicken but it doesn't have chicken in it. I made it with some pumpkin and chickpeas, and it's super, super yummy. The recipe is on my Instagram, which is just Healthy Kelsey, if you wanted to check that out. But so we're gonna have that, and then I'm just gonna make, I've got like all the salad stuff, so I think I'm gonna make a salad just to go with it. So super easy, leftovers kind of salad style lunch. So time to make dessert. I'm really excited. All you need is frozen strawberries, and you probably could just use frozen strawberries, but I'm also going to use some frozen pineapple just to make it a little bit sweeter. And yeah, you pretty much just add everything to a blender, and then leave it in the freezer to set, but like every probably half an hour to hour, kind of scrape and move it around a little bit just so it doesn't get super icy. But I'll show that in the video anyway, so yeah. Freezer to set. To be honest, you could probably just eat it like over. If you like have a strong enough blender, you can blend it with only a tiny bit of water because it's pretty frozen. And it's really good. It literally tastes like sorbet. So good. Also, if you guys are wanting these cute little coconut bowls that I use in pretty much all my videos, they have given me a 15% off code for you. So all you have to do is use the code Kelsey15 at checkout, and you can get 15% off your coconut bowls, and they look so cute. We could call it Andy's Toast Corner. Ready? Say hi. Welcome to Andy's Toast Corner.
Hi, welcome to Andrew's Toast Corner. How many slices do you want?
Just 2. I have a toaster, so we're improvising. With a pan.
Really got to penetrate that bread if you want the most flavour out.
Shall we rate it? That's some pretty good toast. That bread's pretty good actually. So we just came back from yin yoga, which, did you like it? Yeah, it was good. It was very relaxing. I'm not very good at yin yoga because it was like an hour and a half of like meditating and stuff, which I'm not the best at, but it's good to practice. So it was really fun. And then now we're hungry, so we're gonna go find, I was gonna make dinner, but it's dark, so can't really be bothered. So we're gonna go find a Mexican. There's one just down the road, which we've been wanting to try out. I think the last one I ate in a day, we went to Mexican as well, but I don't think we've eaten it since then, so. Hi. So we want Mexican. Yeah. Yum. Thank you. Oh, right, thanks. I am just dishing up the strawberry sorbet. Turned out to be yummy. I actually ended up going out for dinner, so I forgot to mix it, so it's a little bit icy, but it's really yummy. If you did want to leave it like in the freezer overnight, you can just like re-blend it in your blender when you want to eat it again, or just leave it out to thaw for 10 minutes or so. And it should turn back into like a creamy sort of ice cream. But yeah, that's kind of it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you. I'm going to try and make weekly videos now that we're back in Canggu, so I will see you guys next week.